Let's take a step back into history. By the 10th century, Mogadishu was already a bustling hub of Islamic learning and commerce. Arab, Persian, and Indian traders came here, turning the city into a gateway between Africa, the Middle East, and Asia. It later became the heart of the Sultanate of Mogadishu, famous for textiles, gold, ivory, and spices. Even today, you can still find signs of this rich past. The Fakhr ad-Din Mosque, built in 1269, stands as one of the oldest mosques in East Africa, a reminder of Mogadishu's long Islamic heritage. The city is often called the White Pearl of the Indian Ocean. This name comes from its beautiful whitewashed buildings, historic architecture, and stunning beaches that stretch along the coastline. Culturally, Mogadishu is the beating heart of Somalia. The streets are alive with markets like the Bakara Market, where you can find everything from fresh produce and clothes to electronics and livestock. The city's rhythm reflects the spirit of Somali society, resilient, energetic, and full of life. Mogadishu is also rebuilding its educational institutions. The Somali National University, once closed during years of conflict, has reopened, alongside new private universities that are shaping the next generation. Economically, the city still depends on its port, one of the most important in East Africa. But today, new industries like telecommunications, construction, and services are also fueling growth. For leisure and beauty, Mogadishu offers places like Lido Beach, a popular spot for families and young people. With turquoise waters and lively cafes, it shows the city's more peaceful and vibrant side. And when it comes to connections with the world, Aden Adda International Airport keeps Mogadishu linked to Africa, the Middle East, and beyond. In many ways, Mogadishu is a city of contrasts, ancient yet modern, challenged but full of resilience. As the capital of Somalia, it remains the political, cultural, and economic center of the country, carrying with it centuries of history and a future full of potential.